Hi everyone, it's Michelle from Scrap Secrets and welcome to another haul video. So today's haul is going to be the Create and Inkspire November kit. It's going to be the unboxing. I'm super excited to show you guys what comes in this kit. So I got it on Monday and I wanted to show you guys Monday, but unfortunately my work decided otherwise. Long story short, my IT guy uninstalled Office and then couldn't get it to reinstall. So I had to talk to another person, and then that took 9 hours for it to install. And then yesterday I had to get all of my contracts done because starting tomorrow I'm on vacation for 11 days and the system that I use completely went down. So I had to do 3 or 4 days worth of work in one day. So everything is done and now I'm on vacation and I can show you guys what I got and then just create for the next 11 days. So be prepared for a bombardment of videos. So let me show you guys what comes in the kit. I'm super excited about it. Real quick, if you don't know, Create and Inkspire is an online publication as well as there are card kits, and then there's also individual products that are available. I will leave the link for the shop down below. Also in the online publication there are classes, there's inspirational videos, there's techniques, there are blog posts, there's contests, there's so much content over there and it's an amazingly supportive community. I hope that you guys check it out. So here's what comes in the November kit. So there's a little card that always comes with it that shows you the contents of the kit. And as always, there is a sweet treat, and this month it is a candy cane, which I'm so excited about. So the fun fact is candy canes have been around since the 17th century, and the idea was brought to the US in 1847. Today, over 1 billion are made each year. So super exciting. I love candy canes. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the cardstock that comes in this month's kit. It is 8 by 11.5. So normally paper is 8.5 by 11, but this is 8 by 11.5. So you're not going to be able to cut it down the middle and make a traditional A2 size card, but you can still use it for a card. So this is the 8 by 11.5 mistletoe green pearl cardstock. And I don't know if you guys can see this. This has a really, really pretty shine to it. So that's the mistletoe. And then this is the glitter fir tree cardstock. And the amazing thing about this, look at this, no glitter on your fingers. It's the good glitter cardstock. And it has a pretty shine to it. Okay, then there is the holly berry pearl cardstock. You can see that shine from my light. And then the holly berry glitter cardstock. Again, no glitter. Amazing. And then you have the white pearl cardstock, again with the shine, and the white cardstock. No glitter either. So, glitter on the paper, but no glitter on my hands. So, which is good for a messy crafter like me. Okay. So then we have 5 pieces of 6x6 pattern paper. So you have the candy cane, so pretty, the plaid, you have blue, shades of blue snowflakes, you have like a very subtle grayish blue snowflake, and then the ornaments. And these are a little bit shiny. So these are perfect. These are 5 sheets of 6x6. There's also an add-on that has other sheets of cards, 6x6 cardstock that you can get with the kit. Okay, and then there are I love glossy accents. I have a larger bottle, but this one is the tiny one, and I love this. I think that I probably would continue to get the small ones because I got the big one and I haven't used all of it and it's starting to kind of yellow when it comes out, so I think that I needed a new one, so perfect timing. So I have the glossy accents comes with it. Okay, now if you saw the video of my no line watercoloring, I used the Snow Writer. This is similar to it, except you use your heat gun with this one, and the Snow Writer you didn't. So this is the Snow Marker, and this comes in the kit. I bought one of these and I have no idea where it is. It's somewhere in this room because it didn't grow legs and walk out on me. So it's somewhere in here. So now I have a second one, so I can use this one, and I know as soon as I start using this one, I will find the other one because that's the way the world works, right? Okay, and then there is a 13-piece vellum snowflake stickers. So I'm probably gonna give these to the girls. Courtney says that she used these in a background. Make sure you check out her videos. I will leave a link below. There's some more stuff I want to tell you after this about Courtney's videos. But she used these in a video to do a card front, and this was beautiful. You can also use them as closures for envelopes because you really shouldn't be licking envelopes right now. So you could use those for that, or you know, use them in your card making. But I think I'm going to give them to the girls because they love stickers, any type of stickers. Okay, now what I'm most excited about is the 6x8 North Pole stamp set. Look at how darling this is. It's so cute. The toy workshop, it's Santa's workshop, and then you have a couple sentiments. Merry Christmas, ho ho ho. May you be spoiled this Christmas. That's totally the girls. From our home to, or from our family to yours. And Happy New Year. You have letters to Santa mailbox, the North Pole sign, you have trees. So one of my favorite things to do is mix and match stamps from different stamp companies, and I already have an idea for this, so I'm super excited. You will see this soon. Oh, and on the back there is the hashtag create an Inkspire. If you put your projects up on social media, use that hashtag, and you know, so that everybody can see what you're doing. And what's also great about that is you can type this hashtag into Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, and you'll be able to see projects that are done with Create and Inkspire projects, and hopefully they can inspire you. So I told you a little bit about Create and Inkspire. I hope you guys really go over and check it out. This is not sponsored by Courtney. I paid for this myself. I do have to say, Courtney gives so much to the community. We did a alcohol marker coloring class. She took her own time and, you know, I think she designed the project that we colored in, and she gives of her own time to everyone else. She's amazing. So we do classes like that. There is going to be we were supposed to have a retreat, but COVID kind of killed that. So we are doing something else. So there is a pay one, and I think it was like $10, and we're gonna do an all-day crafting event using this kit, but you don't have to have the kit. Unfortunately, the class is full. It was full so quick. So she'll do things like that. There are, like I said, YouTube videos over there. She does classes over there. And the best part about, which I didn't even tell you guys, is you guys can be part of the community. So if there is a project that you want to share and have it up exclusively on Create and Inkspire, you can reach out to Courtney, and she will, you know, she'll pick you for a month, and then you do your project, and it's up there for everyone in the community to see. The community is amazing, super supportive people, a bunch of fantastic women. I don't think we have any, I'm sure there might be a couple men, but fantastic. The people that I've interacted with are all women. They're so fantastic and so supportive. It's really, really great. So I hope that you guys go over and check it out. The next thing that I wanted to tell you guys is that on Friday, my video is going up for the 25 Days of Christmas collab with Courtney and Friends. So I am day 12. I'm not going to tell you guys what we're doing, but every person picked a theme. There are 50 cards that you're going to see, for at least 50 cards, because some people have done 2 cards or more. So there are going to be so many projects for you guys to be inspired by. Please go over and check out all of her videos. I will leave a link to Courtney's channel, because in each video she links to the person that she's collaborating with, as well as when I put mine up on Friday, I will link to Courtney's video. So you'll be able to see everybody's so far, and I believe we're on day, what's today, Wednesday, so Wednesday is day 10. I've watched 9 of the 10 videos because I had to get work done today. I couldn't, so normally I can just put a video on in the background, but I really needed to concentrate today. I wanted to get everything done so I didn't have to do anything while I was on vacation. But you know, I've watched all 9 videos. I will watch the 10th video tonight, the 10th day videos tonight. so great. There's so much good content out, amazing themes. The themes that are coming, and not just because mine is coming, but the themes that are coming are so amazing. We came up with 25 different themes, so you will see tons of inspiration. So I hope that you guys go over and check it out. I will leave links below to Courtney's channel so you can check out her collaboration series, as well as the Create and Inkspire links. There are kits left for previous months too, so you can go ahead and check those out if you'd like to purchase them. If you become a member of Create and Inkspire, you will also get a percentage off of your kit. That's of right now is the day that I'm doing this video. She did announce that there was going to be some changes, so I don't know if that's going to be the same moving forward. But as of right now, this time where she hasn't done that video yet or told us what was going on, you know, you guys are still, you know, it's available to get a percentage off of the kits. So it is a great value because basically the percentage that you're getting off of the kit pays for your subscription each month, and it's some really great content. So I hope that you guys check everything out. Again, it was just a PSA. There was no motives behind it. I just really like it, and I wanted to share with my viewers some of the amazing things, especially since if you guys are watching me, you obviously love crafts. So hope you guys join us, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in another video. Bye!